In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up Google Ads with Shopify. Before we start, make sure you are signed in to the Shopify account you want to connect. Also, take a moment to have your laptop or desktop ready, since you will be moving between Shopify and the Google and YouTube App Store listing. First, open Shopify Admin. In other words, go to the Shopify dashboard where you manage your store. When you arrive at the admin area, look for the main navigation or sidebar that contains options like sales channels, apps, and settings. You will not need to change any settings yet. The goal right now is simply to reach the place where you can install an app that connects Google Ads with Shopify. Next, go to the Apps section. In many Shopify dashboards, there is an Apps link or an area that shows your installed apps and suggested apps. Once you open that area, you should see a search bar or a way to browse apps. This step matters because the integration process will start by installing a specific app designed for Google and YouTube. So pause here for a second and confirm you are truly in the Apps area. Now, in the Apps area, search for Google and YouTube. You will see a search field. Type the words Google and YouTube exactly as they appear, or as close as possible. Then, review the results that show the relevant app. You want to make sure you select the listing that is specifically for Google and YouTube, since that is the integration used to connect your Shopify store to Google services. Take a moment to check that the app name matches what you need, because choosing the wrong listing can cause confusion later. Once you find the correct app, click Install. This is the key action that starts the installation. After you click Install, you may see a short loading screen or a confirmation prompt. Allow it to proceed. If there is any additional instruction on the same screen, follow what it shows so the installation completes successfully. This step matters because installation is what creates the connection pathway from Shopify to Google and YouTube, so you can later set up your campaigns properly. While the install is running, keep an eye on the page status. You might see changes such as a progress indicator, a pending status, or a final confirmation message once everything finishes. If Shopify asks you to approve access or review permissions, read the message carefully and approve only what you understand is needed for the integration. The goal is to ensure the app can work with your store so it can connect products and sales data to the tools you want. After the install completes, you should be returned to the Shopify Apps area or the newly installed app page. At this point, your Google and YouTube integration is added to your store, which is the foundation for running Google Ads campaigns from Shopify. Depending on your setup, there may be a next screen where Shopify guides you through the remainder of the setup. That completes the installation portion described in your instructions. You opened Shopify Admin, navigated to Apps, searched for Google and YouTube, and clicked Install. That covers everything you need to know.